If you're using GetResponse and want to know how to read GetResponse reports without wasting hours clicking through confusing menus, this is for you. I'll show you exactly where to find key data, how to interpret it, and, most importantly, whether GetResponse is actually giving you the insights you need. And stick around, because at the end, I'll show you a way to get a better alternative with an exclusive extended free trial, so you don't overpay for something that's missing critical features. Let's dive in. First, your main dashboard. This gives you an overview of open rates, click rates, and unsubscribes. But here's the catch: GetResponse buries deeper insights under multiple tabs. You might see a 20% open rate and think that's good, but unless you check device breakdowns and engagement over time, you won't know who's really opening. Next, campaign reports. When you send an email, GetResponse tracks open and click data, but their analytics don't always filter out bot clicks, meaning your numbers could be inflated. If you're making marketing decisions based on that, you might be throwing money at campaigns that aren't actually working. Third, automation reports. If you use workflows, you'll see how many subscribers completed each step, but it's missing real funnel drop-off insights. You can't see heat maps, and A/B testing is limited compared to competitors. If you're serious about automation, you might find these reports a bit underwhelming. Now, landing page and form analytics. GetResponse does show conversion rates, but there's no built-in session recording or advanced user behavior tracking. If people are bouncing, you won't know why. Finally, ROI tracking. GetResponse lets you add revenue tracking, but it's basic. Unlike more advanced platforms, it doesn't connect the dots between lead sources, email sequences, and final sales effectively. So, if you want true revenue attribution, you'll likely need third-party tools. So, should you rely on GetResponse reports? If you need basic stats, they work. But if you want deeper insights, like real attribution tracking, better automation analytics, and accurate engagement data, there are better options. That's why I've linked a way better alternative in the description. You'll get an exclusive extended free trial, plus other top-tier options that give you a better analytics for tracking your email marketing performance. Don't miss out. Check the link below and start optimizing your results today.